So you're almost done. This is it. This is the last part of the project that you're going to do. Now you just, as like it says in the rubric, you're going to have to add a background element, some kind of design to the background. You can make polka dots. You can make stripes, whatever. But whatever you do, just make sure they look really nice and neat. You've spent so much time on this already. I would hate for you to just race through some background design and make everything look bad. So you can decide, it just has to be opposite of whatever you painted the person in. So I did a warm color here. That would be red. So red, yellow, orange are the warm colors. So that means I would have to choose blue, green, or purple for the background. And I could also do white and black because those are not considered warm or cool colors, so you could do that as well. What I decided to do is I didn't want the background design element to be too jarring, so I just came up with a lighter purple. I just added a lot of white and then just like a half pump of red and a half pump of blue. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the back here, I just decided I'm going to make like a little heart back here, or I should say a big heart, so I'm going to start right here. I'm just going to come up. Now, I waited for this to be dry. I already painted the background yesterday, and now I'm just coming in here and painting in this background element. It's going to be a little bit harder painting on wet paint. My advice to you is to make sure that you have a lot of paint on your brush so that you can kind of get by all of the kind of little waves that have been popping up now in the paper because it's gotten a little wet. You'll notice your paper is a little bit more wavy. That's simply because now all the paper fibers got wet again. I don't know if I like how this is turning out. It kind of looks like she has bunny ears. That's alright. Alright, so we'll come down like this, and then come back up this way. So I'm looking at this, and as I'm drawing it, as I just stated, it kind of looks like she's got bunny ears going on, or like Mickey Mouse ears, and I don't think I like that very much. So in order to make it look like there are definitely hearts in the background, I'm going to repeat this image. I'm going to kind of call an audible on this one as I'm doing it. So I'm going to fill this in, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a few other little hearts in the background, so that people will look at this and be like, oh, that's part of a heart. Now I get it, instead of, bunny ears. So I'm going to do this here. Fix this up. I don't like this edge right here. Notice I put a lot of paint down there. Okay. So now I'm going to come over and maybe I'll put like a little heart down here. And then also, like, I'd want it to look almost like it's wallpaper. So maybe I'll put like half of a heart over here. So that's it. We're done. That would be the end of this project. At this point, I would just make sure you let it dry and then wait for me to collect it. Great job.